Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the Mansys, which is basically an ERP system that target the manufacturing industry. So Mansys stands for Manufacturing Management System. It also means production management system. So if you are working in the production line, production business, producing products from raw materials, then this ERP system or this management system is something that would help you manage your production line. So just quickly, I'm gonna log in as an admin just to show you a quick look at the site or the system. The default landing page is the dashboard. It has basically different metrics, different KPI, all of which are related to your production line and your current inventory. I'm gonna just show you quickly the report side. So in the report section, we have different reports. We have the order reports, invoice, clients, client category, products report, sales report, tax report. So let's look at the invoice report as an example. This report, as you can see, it's very easy to read. There is a great flexibility in how you want to look at the report. This, for example, this pie chart illustrates all the invoices that you have. The red one are the invoices that are not paid yet, and on the green one is basically the invoice that were paid. This is a breakdown of this by the client or at the client level. And if you want to search for a particular client or search for the unpaid payment, for example, or paid payments, and so on, you can certainly do more filtering and do a search. And that gives you a table with more information and more updates about each client. And that's it. This is just a quick overview of the manufacturing management system on the report side. More videos to come. I hope you enjoy this. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.